Hello and welcome back to Crypto Beta. In this video, we'll be discussing cryptocurrency mining and how to get started with it. Mining is an essential part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, as it enables the verification of transactions and the creation of new coins. So, let's get started. First things first, what is cryptocurrency mining? Simply put, mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and adding them to the blockchain ledger. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their work. Mining requires high computational power, and that's where mining rigs come into the picture. To start mining, you'll need to set up a mining rig. You can either build your own or purchase a pre-built one. A mining rig consists of multiple GPUs or ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, that work together to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems verify transactions on the network and create new blocks on the blockchain. Once you've set up your mining rig, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency to mine. Some popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Before you start mining, make sure to do your research and choose a cryptocurrency that's profitable to mine and has a bright future. Mining can be a solitary task, but it doesn't have to be. You can join a mining pool, which is a group of miners who work together and share the rewards. Mining pools make it easier for small-scale miners to earn rewards and are a great way to get started with mining. Now, let's talk about profitability. Is mining profitable? Well, it depends on various factors like the price of the cryptocurrency, the difficulty level of mining, and the cost of electricity. Mining can be profitable, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a lot of investment, hard work, and patience. To be a successful miner, you'll need to have the right mindset and approach. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Do your research and choose a profitable cryptocurrency to mine. 2. Join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards. 3. Keep your mining rig updated and optimized for better performance. 4. Monitor the market and adjust your strategy accordingly. 5. Don't give up easily. Mining requires patience and persistence. That's it for today's video on cryptocurrency mining. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of cryptocurrency mining and how you can get started with it to make some money. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching.